In this video today we are going to talk about how to make money with Fiverr arbitrage. So those who are interested in, stick with me till the end of this video. Even if you guys don't have any skill sets, you have never made a dime online and you are a total newcomer, no worries, because I will show you today how to get paid even if you are a complete newbie. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first site that I will be showing you today that we will use to make money online is called Fiverr.com. This is a site most of you have probably heard about by now. For those who don't know, Fiverr is a website for various freelancing services, and you can either come on here to work as a freelancer or seek services relating to one of these categories. You have got graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, data, business, and finally lifestyle. So as you can see, there are many different categories to choose from. With that said, though the very first thing you want to do when you come on Fiverr is create your brand new account by clicking join in the upper right hand corner. I won't go into detail on how to do it because I'm sure you will be able to manage. Anyways, being a freelancer, Fiverr can pay off big time. If you happen to have some of the skills that are sought after here, there are literally millions and millions of freelancers all over the globe making ton of money on site just like this one. So if you happen to be good at designing, for example, then you can start making money with this right away. However, I know that many of you watching this probably don't have such skills. So keep watching because I will show you how to get someone to literally do the work for you. So you don't have to do anything but still get paid nevertheless. Anyways, we will be focusing on one specific service on Fiverr and a few other sites I will show you later on, and that is proofreading. So now you want to hover your mouse over writing and translation and click on proofreading to open it up. Once again, for those who don't know, proofreading is essentially finding and correcting errors that can be found in particular texts. It can be some sort of article, a book, and people on Fiverr doing proofreading are all making ton of money. For example, this person here is charging this amount for basic package and this amount for standard one and this amount for the premium package. And check out the number of reviews to the left right here. That means at the very least this person had a lot of purchases. Because we know that number to be higher simply because not everyone leaves a review. Regardless, though if we go by the number and let's say that every single customer went for the basic package, that means we are talking about thousands of dollars like I said. The number is much higher because there are more customers and not everybody went for the cheapest package. So as you can see, being a freelancer has a huge potential just like I was saying before. Keep in mind that you won't get these numbers right away. And by the way, if you are learning a lot from this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. The strategy I am about to show you will allow you to get paid decently in any case. Let me now show you a next platform that we will be combining with Fiverr. So you will be able to make money without doing anything. And the platform I will be going over today is called peopleperhour.com. This site is just like freelancing platform, but the thing is with this site, you can find people who need certain services. So as a freelancer, you can look for the customer yourselves on here. Unlike Fiverr, where you just post a gig and just wait for the customer to come to you. Then you can search projects in order to find people who need certain job done for them. Since we are focusing on proofreading, that is exactly what you want to search for. And you will be able to easily find hundreds of people who needs proofreader. And here is the thing with people per hour and why we are using it. People on Fiverr are asking for less money for proofreading than people on people per hour are offering. For example, this person I found will pay us this amount for proofreading, and there are people on Fiverr just like this person here charging less than that amount. So what you can do is send a proposal to this individual, and when they pay you, just come back over to Fiverr, pay someone like this to do the work for you for way less and earn a decent amount of money. This is possible thanks to disparity in prices on people per hour and Fiverr.com. While you will find the prices to be similar at times, most of the time they are not. By the way, the same applies for freelancer offering their services too. So if you don't want to compete for the jobs with the first method, what you can do is create a gig just like these people have here, and you will want to charge like $30 to $40, which is similar to what people are asking on here as well. What you can do when a customer pays you the money and send you the document to proofread is just take that money, come on to Fiverr, pay someone to do the work for you for way less, and then when they send you the file, just send it back to your customer on peopleperhour.com and you would have made a very decent profit. Doing it this way has its share of flaws as well, since you will need to rack up a few reviews before getting more customers. But if you keep at it, you will eventually be earning more and more. Now the last thing I want to mention is that if you happen to have great knowledge of English or another language, then you don't have to do this. This way you should set up a gig on all of these sites that I showed you. Doing it that way will allow you to get more customers, since not everybody knows about Fiverr and People Per Hour. Most know about only one of them, and so you will be able to reach more customers and thus earn more cash. Now if you think that today's video is too difficult, and if you want much easier and simpler method to make money, and if you want quicker result, or if you want done for you solution that will do all the hard work for you and that will help you to promote any offer that you want and earning autopilot commission, you can check out the link in the video description below. Now when you click on the link below, you will be able to find different case studies and different proof videos that shows you how they are earning daily commissions online. And while watching that video, you guys will realize that you don't have to put in lot of efforts by yourselves. You just have to copy and paste to promote your link and just follow the training, and you can start earning commission every single day. Now I do hope that you did get some value out of this video, and if you think you like my content, please make sure go ahead and smash that like button right now, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the most easiest way to make money online, make sure to click on the first link down below in the video description. And that's bring me to the end of this video. I will see you inside the next video.